Hello children, how are you all? I hope you're fine, good and happy at your home and you all are studying for your exams, okay? Today I have brought topic two-digit addition for you. So I thought that I should give you a live classroom format to teach you two-digit addition so that you will going to understand properly as you understand in your class. So let's start with two-digit additions. Suppose somebody give you questions like this, where you have to add two digits at the top 1, 4, 14 and 1 at the bottom 5. How are you going to add it, right? Always remember, when there is a two-digit number, you have always take the left side of that. T and 1, tens and ones. So ones area you're going to take instead of the tens area. Or you're going to say that I will take the left part of that digit. This is the left part, this 4 and 5. So first we're going to add this two number and then we'll proceed further. How are we going to add 4 and 5? Simple, you make 4 lines, 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5 lines, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay? And then you will add it, count it, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. You get 9 over here. And you are seeing that below 1 there is no number. You just put 1 over here and it becomes 19. Okay? Just put 1 over here and it becomes 19. The answer is 19. You can take other pattern also. There are two patterns. First pattern is by using the number lines, right? And second pattern is by using your fingers. Also you can do that. How are you going to do that? Again, I will show you. Same number. I am taking the same number, right? 1, 4, 14 plus 5. Now you said I don't want number lines. I don't want to do number lines. I just want to use my fingers. Simple है. For that also हमेशा याद रखना कि जो आपका राइट हैंड, जो आपका लेफ्ट हैंड साइड का पार्ट है वो आप पहले लोगे और राइट हैंड साइड का बाद. ये मैं खड़ी हूँ, आई एम स्टैंडिंग लाइक दिस. माई लेफ्ट पार्ट इज दिस, माई राइट पार्ट इज दिस. सो माई राइट को आप नहीं लोगे, पहले ऐड करोगे. आई यू गोइंग टू ऐड द लेफ्ट पार्ट फर्स्ट. ठीक है? सो टू नंबर्स आर हियर. व्हाट इज द बिगर नंबर ओवर हियर? बिग नंबर इज 5. 5 के लिए वी नॉट गोइंग टू ओपन योर फिंगर्स. स्मॉल नंबर के लिए गोइंग टू ऐड ओपन योर फिंगर. स्मॉल कौन है इसमें? स्मॉल 4 है. तो टेक आउट 4 फिंगर्स. ठीक है? अब आपको पता है 5 के बाद 6 आता है. बिग नंबर 5 है. जो 6 आएगा तो कैसे करोगे? 6, 7, 8, 9. तो यहाँ पे आ गया आपका 9 और यहाँ पे आ गया आपका 1. सेम आंसर 19, 19. तो यू आर गेटिंग द 2 feet. First way is to add like this by using the number line and second way is this to add by using your finger. ठीक है? These two ways you can add. Now second I can also show you one more question in which 0 comes. 2, 0 and 0. Now you have to tell me what comes. 0 has no value. Always understand that 0 has no value at all. ठीक? When 0 has no value तो you put 0 over here. Simply उतार दोगे उठा के ऊपर से नीचे और 2 यहाँ लग दोगे. क्या बन गया? 20. The answer is 20 only. No need of making any number line, no need of using your fingers at all. Now, suppose I will give you one more sums. I will take one more sum for this and I am taking here 15 plus 2, right? Again 15 plus 2, this is that. For that also you have two patterns. You can use your fingers for adding it or you can use a simple number line. First I will show you number line format. Again your left hand side you will take first, that is this 5 and 2. This is the left hand side area. Okay? 5, you first make 5 number line, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and for 2 make 2 number line, 2 and count it 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Here is 7 and 1 के नीचे कुछ नहीं है, just copy down 1 and get the answer 17. Same way, if the same thing I am count by using my fingers. Instead of using number lines, I am going to use my finger to add it. 1, 5, 2. Now again take this part, this portion first. As I have told you, your left side portion should be checked and added first rather than the right hand side. Left you will take 5 and 2. Which is the biggest number? जो big number है उसको आप छोड़ दो, जो छोटा number है उसको आप लो 2 को. You will take 2. Take out 2 fingers. 1, 2, 2 fingers. Up tell me after 5 what comes. After 5 comes 6 and 7. ठीक है? Answer is 7. And 1 के नीचे is nothing, so you will just put 1 over here. So it's come 17. So this is a 2 format by which you can add 2-digit numbers top and 1 digit at the bottom. I have one more thing, that if you have 2-digit number at the top and 2-digit number at the bottom, then how you are going to add that? So I am going to show you that also. Suppose you have 2-digit numbers at the top and 2-digit at the bottom. How are we going to do that? I have this number 1, 5, 7 and 3. For this only we have 2 formulas. First we can use number line, okay? And second formula is that we will use a fingers for that. So first we are going to use number line, and number line always from your left part of the digits. So left part we have got 5 and 3, 2 digits are there, 5 and 3. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 1, 2, 3. Now you are going to count it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Alright. What comes over here? 8. Now this, your right hand side digit is left over here, 1 and 7. Now for that the same thing, you are going to make number lines. 1 for 1 and for 7 make 7 numbers. And 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And then you will count it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. What comes? 8. Answer is 88. Okay. For this, the second pattern is that by using your fingers, and for this what you are going to do. Suppose second pattern is, I am going to add this by using my fingers instead of doing the number lines. Which is the biggest number? 5 is big number. Just leave the big number. Just leave the big number and take the small number 3. Okay? So after 5 you know what comes 6. You will say 6, 7, 8. 8 is over here, right? And for here also you will leave the big number, take the small number 1. You know 7 के बाद क्या आता है? 8. You will put 8 over here. ठीक है? So what comes the answer? 88. This way you can add the 2 digit at the top and 2 digit at the bottom. One more example also I will like to give you. 61 and 33. For this also, either you are going to make it by using it number lines, or by you make it by using your fingers. Okay? Number line 1, 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3, 4. ठीक है? और for 6 and 3, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and then 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Here comes 9. 90. ठीक है? This I have counted by using the number lines. Now I am going to use my fingers and I am going to count it by using my fingers also. हाउ, वही रूल फॉलो करना जो मैंने आपको बताया है कि जो बड़ा नंबर इसको छोड़ देना, जो बिग नंबर इसको छोड़ना, छोटे नंबर को लेना है। हमने छोटे नंबर के लिए फिंगर निकाली 1, ठीक है, वहाँ पे छोटा नंबर यहाँ पे 1 है। एंड आई नो कि 3 के बाद आता है 4, आई पुट ओवर हियर 4. 6 and 3, which is a big number, 6, leave that number, take the small number and take out a finger for the small number 3. So after 6 what come? 7, 8, 9. So 94. Same thing. You get the same answer by using number line and same answer by using your fingers to add it. So this way you are going to do 2-digit additions. And you will get the PDF. That PDF you have to do in your maths classwork copy and practice the homework which I have given you in your maths book, because it is very, very important. Okay, I hope you have all understood. If any problem, you all have my WhatsApp number, so you can comment in the YouTube box to know your to solve your problems. Till then, take care and please study, because exam is on your head. Take care. Bye bye.